Hi guys! Today we will explain how to add currency in Revolut. This process will be simple and easy. If you want to pay in a different currency from your regular Revolut account, then you have to create a new currency account. And for creating new account, click on the option account. In the middle of your mobile screen, you can see 3 options: add money, exchange, and more. From here, we need to tap on the option more for creating a new currency account. And here, tap on the option new, which is on the right top, and tap on the option add a new account. And here you have to select the country in which you want to pay. I will pay in Australian dollar. So that's why I am clicking on it, because my account was already created on Revolut. The first thing is we need to add money in this account. So tap on add money. And here's the payment method by which I can fund in my Revolut Australian account. An alternative of this is go back from here and click on the option add money. And here, if you have the amount in euro, then enter the euro and that will be converted into Australian dollar. And after it, tap on the option review order. Then you can purchase Australian dollar through euro. Or if you have your Australian dollar and want to exchange that in euro, then just click on this arrow. Once this arrow will be directed to bottom, then enter the amount in Australian dollar and that will be converted into euro. And it was the primary way by which you can add currency in Revolut.